Are you looking for an honest review of CM Trading? In this video, I'll be taking you through every detail of my real experience using this brokerage platform. Whether you're a total beginner or someone with some trading experience, I'll explain everything in simple terms, covering the core features, services, and costs of CM Trading. First, let's talk about what CM Trading is. CM Trading is a South African-based broker that offers services in Forex, commodities, indices, and more. One of the standout features of CM Trading is its copycat copy trading system, which allows you to copy the trades of more experienced traders. If you're new to the world of trading, this feature can be a game changer as it enables you to learn and potentially profit without needing to be a market expert. Advantages: CM Trading offers various account types, so whether you're starting with a small deposit or ready to invest a larger amount, there's something for you. Its platform is also user-friendly, with an intuitive interface on both desktop and mobile apps, making it suitable for traders on the go. They also offer educational materials, like webinars and tutorials, which are useful if you're just starting out or want to refine your strategy. Another great thing about CM Trading is that they provide leverage, giving you the potential to earn more on your trades. But remember, while leverage can magnify gains, it could also increase your losses, so it's essential to use it wisely. Disadvantages: however, there are a few downsides. Some users have noted that the withdrawal process can be slower than expected, and the spreads can sometimes be higher compared to other brokers, especially for smaller accounts. Another thing to watch out for is that CM Trading services are not available in all countries, so make sure to check if you're eligible. Now, if you've been frustrated by the unpredictability of trading or tired of trying to time the markets on your own, there's a solution. PrimeXPT offers a unique feature where you can effortlessly copy the trades of top-performing traders, automatically mirroring their success. You don't have to worry about constantly monitoring trends. Just register, deposit, and let PrimeXPT help you reach your trading goals. Getting back to CM Trading, their fees are relatively low compared to traditional brokers, but you still need to keep an eye on the spreads and commissions, as they can add up over time. The customer service is generally responsive, with several channels available, including live chat and email support. However, some users report slow response times during high-volume trading periods. Service overview: CM Trading's platform offers MT4 and Cerex, two popular trading platforms that are well regarded for their range of tools and customization options. Whether you want to trade manually or use automated strategies, these platforms have you covered. For those interested in copycat, this service is incredibly easy to set up and allows you to copy trades from more experienced traders directly within the platform. Cost: to get started with CM Trading, the minimum deposit varies depending on the account type, but it's generally accessible for most traders. The basic account requires a relatively low deposit, making it easier for beginners to test the waters before committing more funds. Whether you're interested in Forex trading or just want to explore new investment opportunities, CM Trading provides a range of assets, including currencies, commodities, and indices, so there's something for everyone. In conclusion, CM Trading is a solid choice for beginner to intermediate traders who want a user-friendly platform with educational resources and copy trading options. But, as with any trading platform, it's crucial to fully understand the risks and rewards before diving in. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and stay tuned for more trading insights.